We are going to discuss about indefinite integrals substitution. The substitution rule. The substitution rule is a valuable asset in the toolbox of any integration grease monkey. It is essentially the chain rule, a differentiation technique you should be familiar with in reverse. And the goal of integration by substitution. The general list of integration by substitution is to transform the integral so that instead of referencing x, it references the function u. We can show how this method works by abstracting each step using math. In math, we can write down what we want to do. Write the steps of integration by substitution in math by writing given u, which is equal to g of x. Here's x, which is equal to b. The integration to x equals to a. Then the f of x dx, which is equals to u, which equals to d, the integration of u, which equals to c. Then h of u du. A step of how to calculate the integration of substitution. Find a function u, which equals to g of x, that has a g derivative x also in the expression somewhere. This may involve experimenting or staring at the expression in the integrand long enough if the question is hard. Finding the g derivative x may involve synthesizing numbers, constants from nowhere, so that it can be used to cancel out portions of g derivative x. However, if the entirety of g derivative x needs to cancel artificially, then this may be a sign that you are making a question harder. Following steps and their procedures. First, calculate the g derivative x, which is equals to du over dx. But the second, calculate the h of u, which is f of x over g derivative x, which is equals to f of x, which means du over dx. And the third, calculate c, which is equals to g of a, and calculate d, which is equals to g of b. So that you got it. Here is the practical examples on integration of substitutions. Example, the integration of 3x squared times x cubed plus 1 the power of 5 dx. Then 3x squared must be by exponential. X cubed plus 1. U is equal to x cubed plus 1. Du over dx must be the derivative 3x squared. So du must be 3x squared dx. Then the integration 3x squared times x cubed plus 1 the power of 5 dx, which is equals to the integration of u to the power of 5 du, which is equal to u to the power of 6 over 6 plus c, which is equal to x cubed plus 1 the power of 6 over 6 plus c. So this is all about in our program. Thanks for listening.